As the leaves turn golden and the air grows crisp, it's time to embrace the cozy, inviting spirit of fall. But this season, it's not just about pumpkin spice lattes and chunky sweaters. Your home is about to get a major upgrade, and these trends are anything but ordinary. Autumn 2025 is all about blending warmth with bold, unexpected twists, and we've got the inside scoop from top interior designers on how to make your space stand out. But here's where it gets controversial. Are you ready to swap out minimalist whites for rich, nature-inspired hues? Or trade sleek lines for curvy, sculptural forms? Let's dive in, and don't worry, we'll keep it beginner-friendly. First, meet the experts who are shaping this season's look. Emily LaMarque, principal and founder of Emily LaMarque Design Studio. https://about. And TC Chou, interior designer and founder of Design Determination. https://designdetermination.com. designdetermination.com/our story updates. These pros are spilling the beans on what's hot and how to make it work for you. 1. Stone takes center stage. This year, there's a collective yearning for earthy, grounded materials, and stone is stealing the spotlight. Think bold bathroom vanities with dramatic veining, or side tables that double as conversation starters. Fall is all about warm, cozy textures and natural elements, says LaMarque. These pieces create spaces that feel both luxurious and lived in. But here's the twist. Stone isn't just for countertops anymore. It's popping up in unexpected places, like statement walls or even fireplace surrounds. Is this a trend you'll embrace, or does it feel too heavy for your taste? 2. DIY meets maximalism. Maximalism is still having its moment, but with a twist. Personalization is key. Homeowners want spaces that tell a story, says Chou. Whether it's a brushed bronze lamp or a hand-painted dresser, custom touches make all the difference. The best part? You don't need to be a pro to pull it off. A fresh coat of matte paint or swapping out cabinet hardware for aged brass can instantly elevate your space. But is maximalism too much for everyday living? Or is it the perfect antidote to cookie-cutter design? 3. Nature's palette gets a modern twist. Say goodbye to bland grays and hello to saturated earthy tones. Think clay, terracotta, olive, and honeyed ochre paired with deep indigos or smoky plums. It's a nod to nature, but feels fresh and modern, Chou explains. LaMarque suggests experimenting with these hues on walls, cabinetry, or even molding. It's a welcome change from the safe neutrals we've seen for years. But are these bold colors too daring for your home? Or are you ready to take the plunge? 4. Vintage makes a comeback. Sustainability is more than a buzzword. It's a lifestyle. This fall, secondhand finds are taking center stage. Repurpose what you already have, LaMarque advises. Reupholster an old chair, hang a vintage chandelier, or display your thrift store treasures. It's all about mixing old with new in unexpected ways. But is thrifting too time-consuming? Or is it the ultimate way to create a unique space? 5. Sculptural design steals the show. This season, everyday objects are getting an artistic upgrade. Think curvy ceramic vases, playful candlesticks, and rounded table lamps. Sculptural pieces are both functional and decorative, says Chou. They add personality without breaking the bank. But is this trend too avant-garde? Or does it strike the perfect balance between form and function? 6. Textures get rugged and cozy. Cozy textures are fall staples, but this year they're getting a rugged twist. Boucle throws, rattan accents, and raw wood bring depth and warmth to any space. Tactile comfort is key, Chou notes. Layer these textures to create a space that feels inviting and lived in. But is this trend too cluttered, or is it the ultimate way to create a snug retreat? 7. Curves rule the room. Curvaceous furniture is making waves, but this season it's all about subtlety. Think gentle curves in sofas, chairs, and even coffee tables. It's about creating a timeless, approachable elegance, LaMarque says. Chou agrees. Rounded edges and organic shapes add a sense of ease to any room. But are curves too trendy? Or are they here to stay? Now we want to hear from you. Which of these trends are you most excited to try? And which ones do you think will flop? Let us know in the comments. We're all ears.